Hi, my name is Derek Williams. I'm an engineering technician. I've come up with an invention which I call a low heat driven motor, which I believe will make a huge difference as to how the world generates electricity in the future. The unit relies on hot water which is provided through solar water heating from the sun. The unit operates on the principle of two water sources, one being cold water and the other one being warm water. So providing that the two water sources are at least 30 degrees in difference in temperature, the unit rotates and drives, which in this case is an electrical generator which generates electricity. Why I believe this invention is of importance to the world and to solar power at this point is due to the fact that normal solar systems at the moment are not very efficient and are relatively expensive for the normal man in the street. And this will change should this invention come on the market, because hot water solar heating systems are a lot cheaper than electrical solar systems. They are a lot more efficient, and they can harness 80% of the energy coming from the sun. And due to the fact that storage of warm water can be done in normal thermally insulated water tanks, it does away with the need for very expensive battery banks to store the energy, and therefore this invention can generate electricity night and day, which makes it a lot easier to apply to industry and homes. I honestly believe that this will make a huge difference and make the planet a cleaner place. Why is solar so important? At the moment, the planet only uses about 0.5% of solar potential as far as overall electricity generation. Our planet is getting dirtier, and many environmental groups and lobbyists are trying so hard to make a difference, but due to the cost of solar at the moment, it's just not feasible. They keep getting shut down because it's so much cheaper to generate dirty electricity, which is killing the planet. And I believe this will give them that push that they need. We'll give them the tools to really be able to make a difference. I believe this system can generate electricity for a lot cheaper than what the dirty systems are generating electricity, and is a lot more sustainable. You might ask, is there enough sun power to actually supply the earth with electricity? Well, according to ecoworld.com, the sun supplies 20,000 times the energy to the earth that mankind utilizes currently. I just want to give you a little bit of information about who I am and what I intend doing in the next couple of months. If you look behind me, you'll see a couple of pictures. Basically, this is our workshop at our home. Couple of pictures. We have built a 7-axis CNC machine which we will be utilizing in making this prototype. Due to its size, it's 1.8 meters in diameter, approximately 6 foot in imperial measurement, and a low heat driven motor of that size, according to our calculations, should be able to efficiently supply between 5,000 and 7,500 watts of electrical power. Why build it that big? Well, at the moment in the country where I live, South Africa, there's a huge need for electrical power in rural areas, for medical clinics and schools where kids are being taught in the dark at the moment because there is no electrical grid there at the moment. And this size prototype would work great in that situation and prove beyond a doubt that it is powerful enough to be financially feasible in almost any operation. I'd just like to show you a little bit more detail. This is basically what the low heat driven motor looks like. In this photograph, it's a photograph of myself and my son taken at my daughter's wedding. You'll be helping me in manufacturing this prototype. I've put up a couple of certificates on the wall behind me just to show you that we are not chances, we know what we're doing. My son is very good at CNC programming, CAD drawing, CAD/CAM programming, and I myself are a good solid electrical mechanical technician. We've run a number of trials on this technology over the last 3 years, and we are totally confident that this prototype will work and it will be very reliable, very stable, and due to its design, very low maintenance and cost a lot less than what solar systems currently cost at the moment. I would like you guys to try and get behind us and make a difference. At the moment we've got our project on peerbackers.com. Please go to peerbackers.com and take a look at it. We would really appreciate your help and support in this manner. You can contact us directly through Peerbackers should you have any more questions. We'll be more than willing to answer anything you might want to know. Thank you very much. Bye for now.